Okay, 6x plus 4x equals 40. I wonder how we work a problem like this. The first thing is, I want to let you know that if you're worried about the big scary words on this algebra problem of linear equations or something like that, I want to let you know that you don't have to worry about the big scary words. And that's why I have the shark and the dinosaur up here. This is the great word shark and the Tyrannosaurus rex. And all they do is say big scary words. And you, as an algebra student, are often thrown by these big scary words. And I just want to let you know you don't have to worry about these. You can ignore the shark and the dinosaur and just focus on the math problems. These big scary words are never going to be on the test. I know that's amazing, and no one ever told me that. It takes a while to realize that these words are never on the test. All you need to do is look at these words at the in the title of your chapter, and then use them to look up the correct videos that show you how to work the problems. But all you have to do is work these little problems. And that's why we have a nice little animal here, Fluffy Piggy. And Fluffy Piggy says, all you have to do is work the problems. Nice and easy. So how do we do that? Whenever we see an equation with x and some numbers on one side and maybe some numbers on the other side, what we want to do is isolate x, just the letter x by itself, on one side of the equation. So here's how we do that. First, I'm going to simplify the left side. 6x plus 4x is the same as 10x. Okay, how do I know that? Well, 6 times anything plus 4 times anything is the same as 10 times anything. For example, 6 oranges plus 4 oranges. Let me say that again. 6 oranges plus 4 oranges is the same as 10 oranges, right? If you have 6 limes plus 4 limes, you have 10 limes. If you have 6 pigs plus 4 pigs, you've got 10 pigs. Okay? So 6 times anything plus 4 times anything is the same as 10 times anything. Or in math, we say 6x plus 4x equals 10x. Now over on the right side of the equation, nothing changes. It's still 40. So 10x equals 40. And now I'm going to use that nice little rule in math that says I can do anything I want to two sides of an equation as long as I do the same thing to both sides of the equation. So I'd like to get rid of this 10 over here on the left side of the equation because I want x by itself. So the way I'm going to get rid of the 10 is I'm going to divide both sides of the equation by 10. So divide both sides of this equation by 10. Okay? And why did I do that? Because this 10 divided by 10 on the left side, it simplifies into just 1. Okay? Anything divided by itself is 1. Some people would say they cancel. They would draw slashes through these. That's perfectly fine. Anything divided by itself is just 1. And I'm just going to rewrite the x. And that equals, on the right side, 40 divided by 10. Well, 40 divided by 10 is 4. So 1x is the same as x. That means x equals 4. So that is our solution. Now, we could stop right there. That is as far as you need to go. That's all your math teacher's asking you to do. That's all you need to do on an exam, quiz, homework, whatever. But if you just want to check your work and make sure you didn't make a human error, you can plug this number back in to the original equation and you can check it. And if the equation holds true, it's equal on both sides, then you know you didn't make a mistake. So I'm just going to show you that right quick. I'm going to rewrite it as 6x plus 4x equals 40. And now I'll just plug in or substitute, however you want to say it. I'll stick in a 4 wherever there's an x. So here we go. I'm going to plug in our solution of x equals 4. So 6 times, what is x? 4 plus 4 times x, but we know x equals 4, so we're plugging it in, equals 40. And now let's continue to simplify both sides. See if this works out. So 6 times 4 over here on the left, that's equals to 24. Plus 4 times 4 is 16. And continuing on the right side, same, we're just bringing down our 40. Okay. So now simplifying again, the left side is 24 plus 16. 24 plus 16 is 40. And that equals, just bringing down on the right side, 40. So 40 equals 40. So the equation holds true. So I'm just going to make a big check mark there. And that means that our solution of x equals 4 was correct. And we didn't make any human errors in the process of doing that. We verified it. So I'm going to give us an A+.
Thumbs up and subscribe. For more videos like this, check out algebravideos.com.